Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Persons. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive, outstanding Nakshikata sarees collections only for you. So let me display. All are very beautiful and bright looks, bright red, maroon red shade, and premium quality, soft, semi Bangalore silk, all over Gujarati pattern Nakshikata design work, fully hand pricked stitch design all over base, very nice one, bright maroon shade, and pallu portions fully contrast white threaded Nakshikata design work, Gujarati pattern Nakshikata design work, and fully hand picked Katha stitch design all over work, very bright looks. This one border portions beautiful fine hand pricked Katha stitch design all over butta, also bright red maroon red shade, based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear, running blouse piece, also border work and all over Katha work. And I suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful Katha stitch design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your fresh and bright looks. And next one also bright mustard yellow shade with red contrast Katha work all over base, very fresh one. This one is full base part all over Katha stitch design, Bengal traditional Nakshi Katha, Gujarati Katha work all over base, border portions beautiful Nakshi Katha design work, fully hand Katha stitch design, hand pricked all over butta, bright color combinations, based for your festive wear, and soft one lightweight semi Bangalore silk, border portions and running blouse piece, also border and beautiful design work all over saree, pallu portions fully contrast color threaded Nakshikata design worked pallu, and this portion is border portions, very bright and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully Nakshikata design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your fresh and bright looks. Very bright looks, elegant color combinations, a dark peach shade all over Nakshikata design work, and soft material, premium quality semi Bangalore silk, soft lightweight all over Gujarati pattern Nakshikata design work all over base, border portions Nakshikata border, and all over pallu contrast color threaded design work, and fully hand pricked Katha work, Gujarati pattern Katha stitch design all over pallu, fully hand stitch, and all over butta, also very bright fresh looks all over Katha stitch design work, highlighted border, dark peach shade, running blouse piece, also border work, Katha work, and suggest this silk material, fully embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and bright elegant looks. Bright navy blue shade, Bengal traditional Nakshi Katha, very fresh and bright looks, Gujarati Katha work all over base, and premium quality silk material, semi Bangalore silk, premium quality soft one, and all over heavy Nakshi Katha design work, heavy work but very soft one, lightweight, easy droppable, and pallu portions contrast color threaded Nakshi Katha design work, pallu fully Gujarati work, hand stitch design, and all over base Katha butta, border portions highlighted heavy Nakshi Katha design work, and running blouse piece, also border work. And I suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your fresh and bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, premium quality silk material, semi Bangalore silks, premium quality soft one, all over colorful threaded Nakshi Katha design work. This one full base part, bright and fresh looks all over Katha work, fully hand Katha stitch design work, hand stitch design Nakshi Katha, Bengal traditional Nakshi Katha, bright navy blue base, soft one, silk material, and all over colorful threaded Nakshi Katha design work, and running blouse piece, also border work, Katha work, and this one pallu portions, fully heavy colorful threaded heavy design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, very bright fresh looks, based for your festive wear, and this cotton fabric, fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. very beautiful color combinations, nice elegant color, dark bottle green, very dark bottle green shade, not black, dark bottle green with all over hand pricked kantha stitch design work all over base, very fresh and elegant looks, all over hand pricked kantha stitch design, heavy work, and border portions also fine kantha stitch design work, fully hand stitch design, very elegant and fresh looks, dark bottle green shade, running blouse piece, also border work, katha work, Bengal traditional Nakshi katha, pallu portions, beautiful traditional Nakshi katha design pattern work all over pallu, and this one full base part, very nice and elegant looks, and a picture this cotton fabric Nakshi katha design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your fresh looks. And next one also nice bright color combinations, dark navy blue shade, dark navy blue with beautiful fine hand pricked katha work, semi Bangalore silk, soft one, premium quality silk material, easy drapable, lightweight, and all over bright contrast color, threaded hand pricked kantha stitch design, heavy work, and very soft material, silk, semi Bangalore silk, premium quality, all over kantha work, fully hand stitch, hand pricked kantha stitch design work. This portion is upper base part to pallu end, and this one is border portions, beaut split section, border portions all over, heavy kantha stitch design work, running blouse piece, border work. This portion is split section, and this one is upper base part to pallu end, heavy all over kantha work. And picture this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. And next one also fresh looks, pure white base and Nakshi katha design work, Bengal traditional Nakshi katha, all over hand pricked kantha stitch design, heavy work, contrast color, threaded kantha stitch design, heavy worked border, all over kantha buta, semi Bangalore silk, soft one, easy drapable, all over kantha stitch design, very fresh looks, running blouse piece, border kantha work, pallu portions, heavy fine hand pricked kantha stitch design, heavy worked, pure white base, semi Bangalore silk, and border portions kantha work all over kantha, and pallu heavy contrast color, threaded kantha stitch design. And if we say this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright looks. Next one also nice color combinations, black base all over katha work, bright one, semi Bangalore silk, base is black, and all over colorful threaded hand pricked kantha stitch design work, all over stripes work, pallu portions, fully contrast color, threaded multicolored threaded hand pricked kantha stitch design, heavy worked pallu. This portion is pallu portion, soft one, easy drapable, and all over highlighted stripes pattern design, fully katha work, stripes multicolored threaded hand pricked kantha stitch design, stripes design, and running blouse piece, also border work, very fresh and trendy looks. And picture this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also pink shade, very elegant looks, and Nakshi katha design work, Gujarati work, very fresh one, bright color combinations. This one is full base part, pink shade, all over contrast color, threaded hand pricked kantha stitch design work, Nakshi katha design work, Gujarati pattern design. This one is border portions all over buta, semi Bangalore silk, lightweight, premium quality, soft one, fully hand kantha stitch design work, hand stitch, and running blouse piece, also border work, and pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, threaded Nakshi katha design worked pallu, fully Gujarati work. This one is pallu portions and border work all over buta, bright one, based for your festive wear. And I picture this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, brown shade, all over beautiful kantha stitch design work, colorful threaded, this one is full base part, elegant looks, based for your festive wear, contrast color, threaded nakshi katha design worked border, fully hand pricked work, semi Bangalore silk, all over katha buta, border portions highlighted nakshi katha design worked border, all over border portions nakshi katha design. This one is running blouse piece, fully border work and all over nakshi katha design, and pallu portions beautiful nakshi katha design, heavy worked pallu, and it is this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and elegant looks. Bright color combinations, bright red, shade Bengal, traditional nakshi katha, semi Bangalore silk, very beautiful one, and based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear, bright looks, red and white contrast looks, based for your Durga Puja wear. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful hand pricked nakshi katha, heavy design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, fully hand pricked katha work, and all over beautiful katha stitch design, heavy worked border, all over katha buta and running blouse piece, border work, and all over beautiful design, very fresh and smart looks. And it is this silk material, fully heavy mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. Bright color combinations, bright navy blue shade, all over nakshi katha design work, very fresh and bright looks, color combinations, very nice one, colorful threaded hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked bright navy blue shade, pallu portions, fully colorful threaded nakshi katha design, heavy worked pallu, fully hand pricked stitch design, and this one full base part, all over katha work, all over buta, border portions nakshi katha design work, running blouse piece also border work, and all over katha work. And it is this cotton fabric, fully multicolored threaded weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And next one also bright purple shade with colorful threaded hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy work. This one full base part, semi Bangalore silk, soft one, easy drapable, all over colorful threaded nakshi katha design, pallu portions, fully hand pricked katha work, colorful threaded katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu, and all over seam katha stitch design work, colorful threaded nakshi katha design, heavy worked pallu, all over base, running blouse piece also border work, and border same design, colorful threaded design border, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, multicolored weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and elegant looks. And next one also nice color combinations, based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear, very elegant one, semi Bangalore silk, colorful threaded hand pricked katha stitch design work, cream shade, and all over pallu portions artistic design work, hand pricked traditional design, hand pricked katha stitch design work, Bengal traditional nakshi katha, and all over base katha stitch design buta, and border portions also traditional design work, artistic looks, very elegant one, running blouse piece also border work, and all over heavy work. And it will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful katha stitch design work, contrast blouse piece for your smart and elegant looks. Bright blue shade, all over hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked, all over base, and this one full base part, Bengal traditional nakshi katha, semi Bangalore silk, all over border portions peacock motif katha stitch design work, fully hand work, hand katha stitch design work, all over base, very bright and fresh looks, peacock motif design, and running blouse piece also border work, all over border portions design work, nakshi katha, Bengal traditional, and pallu portions heavy colorful threaded hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu, and it is this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, bottle green shade with contrast color, threaded hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy work all over base, Bengal traditional Naxi Katha, semi Bangalore silk, very lightweight, premium quality silk material, and border portions fully contrast color, threaded hand pricked Katha stitch design, heavy worked border all over Katha buta, fully hand stitch design, and running blouse piece also border work, pallu portions heavy hand pricked Katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu, and all over border portions heavy work. And I will suggest this cotton fabric self weaving brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Next one also, nice color combinations, very colorful, colorful threaded hand pricked katha work all over base, stripes pattern design, fully hand pricked katha stitch design, stripes work, pallu portions colorful threaded heavy work, hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu all over stripes pattern design, very fresh looks, bright navy blue shade all over hand pricked katha stitch design, stripes work, running blouse piece also border work, and I will suggest this silk material, diagonally stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Bright black shade with contrast color, threaded hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked all over base, very fresh looks, all over base, black and white contrast looks all over, fine hand pricked katha stitch design work, fully hand work, hand katha work, border portions beautiful katha stitch design, heavy worked border all over katha work, lightweight, running blouse piece also border work, and pallu portions beautiful heavy hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu, very bright one. And I suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and gorgeous looks also. And today I have got a beautiful saree, very nice looks, bright dark sky blue shade, same material, semi Bangalore silk, soft one, and all over colorful threaded hand pricked katha stitch design work all over, same work, and pallu portions, beautiful fine hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu. This portion is pallu portions, multicolored threaded hand pricked work, beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.